If you really want to master prompt and context engineering, you need to understand a few common terms. Terms like tokens, context windows, temperature, hooks, rate limits. These are the sort of minimal things that you need to understand what they mean. So tokens are just pieces of text or symbols, and everything you send or receive gets broken down into a certain number of tokens, which takes up a certain amount of space. The context window is how much the model can see at once. There's a certain amount of space that it can see, and then it forgets the stuff before that. Temperature is the model's sort of creativity dial. If it's low, the model is pretty focused and doesn't give very much variability in its responses, but if it's high, it can be quite stochastic, unpredictable. Hooks connect your large language model to outside data or tools, and rate limits control how much you can make use of the model in any particular day and how fast it is to respond. Once you get your head around all these, the way that LLMs sometimes behave in unpredictable ways is much easier to understand, and you can stop it happening. So click the link below to the full video about this. It's part 3 of lecture 1, Introduction to Prompt and Context Engineering. For the rest of this lecture and for more practical advice about people who don't code, check out the whole playlist, The No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI. I've done it because I want to help everyone use these models responsibly and efficiently without wasting your own time, and also without generating useless answers, which is using up an awful lot of energy.